2025 Open Concept Homes transform kitchens and backyards with rustic, contemporary elegance. In 2025, the modern open concept home has truly come into its own, seamlessly blending rustic charm with contemporary elegance to create an inviting and sophisticated environment. This design philosophy is centered around creating a harmonious flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, particularly in the kitchen and backyard areas, which are the heart of the home. The fusion of natural elements with sleek, modern aesthetics provides a refreshing yet timeless style that appeals to a wide range of tastes. Imagine stepping into a kitchen adorned with beautiful stone or granite countertops that exude elegance and durability, complemented by rich wooden cabinets and natural wood accents. The combination of these materials not only adds warmth and texture, but also brings an organic feel to the space, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Large windows and open archways blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing for abundant natural light and a seamless transition to the backyard. Moving into the living area, one can envision a space that extends effortlessly to a backyard oasis. Picture sliding glass doors that open to a patio designed with rustic elegance in mind. Perhaps there's a pergola with hanging fairy lights and a robust wooden dining table that's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet family dinner under the stars. The backyard could feature a mix of native plants and sleek modern sculptures, bringing together the old and the new in a cohesive and beautiful design. In the world of 2025 open concept homes, Personalization is key. Whether you embrace a minimalist design with clean lines and uncluttered spaces, or opt for a more eclectic approach with unique, handcrafted decor, the goal is to create a sanctuary that reflects your individual style while maintaining a sense of unity and balance. The open concept design with Rustic, contemporary elegance is about more than just looks. It's about creating a lifestyle. It promotes a sense of calm and invites a connection with nature, enhancing both your living experience and well-being. As you envision transforming your home, think of it as a blank canvas, ready to be infused with the rustic beauty and contemporary flair that resonate most with you. The possibilities are endless, and the result is a dreamy living space that feels both serene and spectacular.